Chapter 3. The Stone Cutter. Once upon a time, there lived a stone cutter in a small village. All day long he worked hard, cut the hard stones and made shapes which were needed by his customers. His hands were hard and clothes were dirty. One day he went out to work on a big stone. It was very difficult to work as the sun was very hot. After spending several hours in cutting the stone, he sat down in the shade and soon fell asleep. After some time, he heard the sound of someone coming. Waking up, he saw a long procession of people. There were many soldiers and attendants, and in the middle, in a palanquin, the king was being carried by strong people. How wonderful it must be to be the great king, thought the stone cutter. How happy I would be if I were the king instead of a poor stone cutter. As he said these words, a strange thing happened. The stone cutter found himself dressed in silk clothes and shining jewels. His hands were soft and he was sitting in a comfortable palanquin. He looked through the curtains and thought, how easy it is to be a king. These people are here to serve me. The procession moved on and the sun grew hot. The stone cutter, now the king, became too warm for comfort. He asked the procession to stop so that he could rest for some time. At once, the chief of the soldiers bowed before the king and said, "Your Majesty, only this morning you swore to have me hanged to death if we did not reach the palace before the sunset." The stone cutter felt sorry for him and ordered the procession to go on its way again. As the afternoon wore on, the sun grew hotter, and the king became more and more uncomfortable. I am powerful, it is true, but how more powerful the sun is, he thought. I would rather be the sun than a king. At once he became the sun, shining down on the earth. His new power was hard to control. He shone too strongly. He burned up the fields with his rays, turned the ocean into vapor, and formed a great cloud which covered the land. But no matter how hard he shone, it is obvious that the clouds are even stronger and more powerful than the sun, said the stone cutter. Now the sun. I would rather be a cloud. Suddenly he found himself turned into a huge dark cloud. He started using his new power. He poured rain down on the fields and caused floods. All the trees and houses were swept away, but a boulder, which once he had been cutting when he was a stone cutter, was unmoved and unchanged. However much he poured down on the stone, it did not move. Why, that rock is more powerful than I am, said the stone cutter, now a cloud. Only a stone cutter could change the rock by his skill. How I wish I were a stone cutter. No sooner he said the word that he found himself sitting on a stone with hard and rough hands. He picked up his tools and set to work on the boulder happily.